Can birds and trees naturally form spell symbols? So the idea, and I'm replying to a comment, but sometimes these vanish when they've been in the drafts for a while, so sorry. But they asked, with this spell writing system, would roots or bird's nest be able to organically form these spell symbols and then cast? There's two answers. One is the boring one, we'll get that out of the way now. Technically, this wouldn't cast a spell just because you write it. It helps you remember things, but it's the same way as like writing your name is not the same as invoking you. But that's boring. I quite like the idea that if this naturally forms, then someone gets stuck in a spell. So, can this happen? Well, I think there's a few things that would need to happen to make it unlikely. If we take the example of trees, then we can imagine you would need 13 trees that then manage to connect roots together in this very complicated way with none of the other lines being formed. This seems unlikely because trees aren't likely to grow roots towards each other, but you never know, you do get a bit of weirdness in nature. Maybe in some forests there are trees that have learned to evolve to form spell symbols that are actually beneficial to them. Similarly, in a bird's nest, it's really unlikely that they would form these symbols. It's just so many things need to fall in place. But just imagine, you're walking in the woods, you and your party are having a lovely time. You're going down, you see a little bird, he's carrying a stick, oh, he's making a nice little nest, that's so lovely. What you and the bird don't know is that when the bird places that stick, there's a chance it will start casting a spell. I think some spells would be very funny for a bird to cast by accident, but there is a simple beauty in... You're walking down the forest, you see a bird fly into its nest, it drops the stick. So the answer is probably not likely, but it is very funny if it does happen. Anyway, have a lovely day. Okay, bye.